You're doing this all wrong. While you're researching properties online with, let's say, 20 Rightmove tabs open, someone else has just viewed the house that you've shortlisted and then they've gone and put an offer in. And they've done that right now, today. That voice in your head telling you to keep researching, it isn't you being clever and it's not you being safe. It's your subconscious and it's trying to keep you safe. It comes from our evolution when the unknown was dangerous. You could literally end up being something else's dinner. Not so much today though, and definitely not in property, but your mind will still keep trying to keep you safe. Safe from something that's unknown, safe from risk, safe from taking action that may actually make you a millionaire. We're hardwired to seek out comfort, but most people don't realise this. They don't realise that comfort actually kills your dreams. Ask any successful business person or sports star. Success comes when you're out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is dangerous. It keeps you stuck. Safe, yes, well, usually anyway, but stuck, not moving forward. Plus, it charges you interest too. Let me explain that. So every week that you spend getting ready costs you roughly 10 grand in missed opportunities. 10 grand at least. And I'm now going to help you out because I'm about to share the 3-2-1 rule that transforms overthinking into accepted offers, even in this market. Have you ever made this mistake? Spending hours online but booking 0 viewings? Stick around because I'll give you my exact 9-word opener that gets agents talking, gets you treated with respect, plus the same day offer checklist that feels illegal to know. First, I've got a confession to make. I used to be the king of research. You know exactly what I mean, right? I used to have 20 tabs open on Rightmove, cup of tea in one hand, notebook out, feeling productive, but absolutely 0 viewings and therefore 0 offers. I used to tell myself that I needed to know more and more details first, and that the more I knew, the easier it would be. And I used to tell myself that I couldn't possibly view a property until I knew if it was a good deal or not. Then weeks would go by and nothing. I would have done absolutely nothing. No progress, no viewings, no offers, and no hope. But I'd still tell myself that I was being proactive and productive and taking real steps to achieving financial freedom that I wanted. Then I'd get myself tied up in all sorts of knots, get confused and get overwhelmed. And when that happened, my confidence used to plummet. But here's the silly thing. I'd still tell myself that I was doing the right thing, despite all the evidence. And meanwhile, all the deals that I've been watching, gone to someone who actually picked up the phone and made the deal happen. It then became obvious that I was trying to do something all myself, and this is what was keeping me stuck. I was unsure, nervous, which led to overthinking, procrastination, and doing absolutely nothing. So I sought out and got a mentor, somebody who's actually doing the stuff that I want to do, and somebody who'd actually made millions, verifiable millions. And he helped me start actually moving forward and taking the right action. I then went and made action automatic. No more I'll call tomorrow, no more just one more search. 3 calls, 2 viewings, 1 offer, minimum every single week. No wriggle room. Within weeks, agents started calling me back and I was seeing real properties and I got my first deal accepted. Messy, sure, but profitable and still below market value. Listen, forget the perfection that's keeping you stuck. This is about real relationships and signaling one thing: I'm buying. So here's my never shared before 9-word opener. I'm a buyer. What's not on Rightmove right now? Then immediately follow that with, I do refurbs, I'm flexible on completion dates, and I can view now. And here's some essential tips on viewings, because you won't believe the amount of stuff people miss during viewings. They focus on all the pretty bits and ignore the profit. Here's what you should be asking and looking for on a viewing. What would stop this seller from selling quickly? What's the seller's backup plan if this doesn't sell? If they had to choose between price and speed, which one would they choose and why? Now here's the secret that most people don't understand and they don't share. Every problem that a property has, put a number on it. When you put a number on it, it allows you to negotiate. You can negotiate better terms, better prices. Now here's another thing that changed everything for me: same day offers. Now here's your proven checklist right now to use to make a same day offer. Have you got your proof of funds and decision in principle ready? Bullet point list of refurb work with costs, clear exit strategy with comparable rents, direct link between your offer and the problem you've spotted. And then make it time bound. Make the offer time bound. Make it 24 hours, maximum 7 days. Don't just leave it open ended and on the table. Now, this might be the most important part. Every month I do 20 viewings and I make 20 offers with the aim to get one acceptance. Yes, just one. In all honesty, in this game, you're not going to go on one viewing and make one offer and get accepted straight away. It's just not that easy. And if it is that easy for you, ask yourself this: is it really a good deal? If they said yes so quickly, could you have got it cheaper? Could you have used some sort of creative strategy to get better terms for you so it works even better than what you think it's going to work at? Because if it is that easy, but it's not actually a good deal, and the rule that transformed my results is this: if you don't make an offer, you didn't really view the property. Offer on everything. Before going on your viewing, try this tip. I do it, I still do it today. Say out loud, I'm buying. I'm not researching, I'm not thinking about it, I'm not getting ready, I'm buying. Some of you are now going to be thinking, but what if interest rates could go through the roof tomorrow? Perfect. That fear is creating discounts everywhere right now. Price in the risk, buy the equity. You're also probably thinking, well, will agents take me seriously? Well, go and use that 9-word opener. Be specific about your requirements, what you're looking for, and always follow up with them same day. Another thing I hear all the time: I don't have time for all these viewings. Book some time in your diary and get it done. And stick to it. Because at the end of the day, we've all got 168 hours in a week, all of us. And if you're not viewing, you're not going to get the properties. It's that simple. Think of this: if I told you that I could guarantee you an extra 10k a month if all you did was do those viewings, honestly, would you find the time? I bet you would. And then the most common one, the most common thing I hear all the time: I don't have the money. And that's why education is so important. There are ways to do creative no money down deals where you can control a property for as little as £1, and because you control it, you collect the cash flow. And you can do that from day one. It's completely real. I do it all the time. You can also learn how to raise money from private investors. And if you're struggling with private investors, maybe you can find a JV partner who has the money and you do all the work. All you got to do is learn how to do this stuff, and the opportunities are endless. And let's be honest, you've been doing the whole thinking about property investment wrong this whole time, haven't you? Because when you know how to speak to agents properly, when you know how to price risk in like a professional, you know how to do no money down deals, how to raise finance, and how to structure your exits, you turn scary market headlines into discounted keys. And this is exactly why we created Property.School, so you can learn these proven systems instead of just collecting more motivation you'll never act on. And if you want to learn how to make, manage and multiply money through property, build multiple streams of income that actually secure your financial future through property, is your next step. Come check us out at Property.School/go. All you got to do is type that into any browser, Property.School/go. Go there right now, type it into any browser, click join, and you can join for less than 50p a day, which works out at less than 1 coffee a week. And we've priced it this way so price isn't a barrier for you. We want you to get results. We've got hundreds of hours of courses, resources and masterclasses that will help you master property investment and achieve real financial freedom. It costs less than 50p a day, like I've already said. Plus you can cancel anytime. There's no ongoing contracts, and you get immediate access to everything upon joining. So stop researching, start doing. You owe it to yourself. Stop overthinking it, stop researching and start doing. Go to Property.School now. Go check us out at Property.School/go. Come join up, and when you've done that, come back to this video, leave a comment, let me know you're in, and I'll see you inside.